Hello everyone, myself Chandana. Welcome back to the fourth session of this field effect transistor. So in this session we are going to solve some problems. Before that, let us try to derive an expression for transconductance, that is GM. So expression for transconductance, that is GM. So we are having this relationship ID equals IDSS of 1 minus VGS by VP whole square. Now what we have to do is, we have to differentiate this expression with respect to VGS. So differentiating with respect to VGS. So this becomes delta ID by delta VGS. This is the LHS part. So VGS, we are differentiating with respect to VGS. All these terms will become constant. So since this is the constant part, that remains the same. So this entire thing is like x square. So differentiation of x square is 2 into x. So x diagonal enide idide. So 2 times of 1 minus VGS by VP, and differentiating this inner part with respect to VGS. So differentiation of 1 is 0 minus 1 divided by VP. This is what we are going to get after differentiating this particular expression with respect to VGS. So let us try to rearrange this expression. Minus 2 IDSS divided by VP, in the bracket I am going to get 1 minus VGS by VP. So this is delta ID divided by delta VGS. But delta ID by delta VGS is nothing but transconductance, that is GM, which is equal to GMO of 1 minus VGS by VP, where GMO is nothing but minus 2 IDSS by VP. So this is the relationship what we are going to get for the transconductance GM. So what we have to do? We have to differentiate this particular expression with respect to the gate to source voltage. Then we will be end up with this particular expression. Now let us try to solve some problems with these parameters and formulas. So this is the first problem what we are going to solve in this session. So find the value of the drain resistance given drain to source voltage VDS is equal to 4 volts and drain current ID is equal to 2 milliamps with gate open. So usually problems and the ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ students ಗೆ it is a big problem. Problem itself is a big problem for many of the students. So no issues. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು sentence ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು problem ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, read out that problem 2 to 3 times and try to understand what is given first. First ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ make a list of it. Later on try to analyze which formula has to be used for what they have asked. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you can solve the problem very easily. So here in this particular problem, given find the value of the drain resistance. Drain resistance na ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. That is, we have to find what is called as RD. Given drain to source voltage, drain to source voltage, that is drain to source voltage VDS ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, whose value is equal to 4 volts. And one more thing is given, what is called as the drain current ID. They itself have mentioned drain to source voltage, ಅವರೇ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ID is equal to 2 milliamps. So these two are given. I have to find out this. It's a very simple problem. RD direct formula ಇದೆ. RD is equal to, it is a ratio of VDS to ID. So VDS to ID, VDS divided by ID, VDS value is 4, ID value is 2 milliamps, small letter m, so milli ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 amps. So write that completely over here, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 10 to the power of minus 3 is in the denominator. When it goes to the numerator, its value will be equal to 10 to the power of plus 3. So 2 into 10 to the power of plus 3, this is drain resistance. Resistance unit ಏನು ohms. So 10 to the power of plus 3 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2 kilo ohms ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So RD is equal to 2 kilo ohms. Simple alva? So don't get confused. Try to read the given problem 2 to 3 times and try to analyze what is given and what you have to find out. Adra mele write the relevant formula, accordingly you can solve the problem. So ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸತಿ problem solve ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ if you write only the formula, even then you will be getting 1 marks. Formula ಬರೆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ and write the correct formula for that. Now let's see the second problem. So this is the second problem what they have given. The pinch off voltage of a FET is minus 3 volts and drain saturation current is 5 milliamps. If gate to source voltage is minus 2 volts, find the value of drain current and transconductance of the FET. So now let's make a list of whatever is given over there. So the pinch off voltage is minus 3 volt. Pinch off. So VP is equal to minus 3 volts. And drain saturation current, bari drain current anta kottare it's equal to ID, but here they have given drain saturation current, so that is not ID, it is IDSS. So the drain saturation current is 5 milliamps. 5 milli anta helidre its value is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 amps. If gate to source voltage is minus 2 volts, gate to source VGS is equal to minus 2 volts. Find the value of drain current. Find the value of drain current in the sense I have to find out ID and transconductance of the FET, that is GM. You have to find out ID and GM where 3 parameters are given. Pinch off voltage minus 3 volts, drain saturation current 5 milliamps and gate to source voltage minus 2 volts. So we are having this formula, direct formula, ID equals IDSS of 1 minus VGS by VP whole square. This is the formula what we are having. Everything is given directly. Direct you need not worry so much. IDSS is given over there, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3, 1 minus VGS is given, VGS minus 2, VP is minus 3 whole square. So minus cancel after that. So what you are going to get? Let me take a calculator. So 2 divided by 3 is 0.66, E value is 0.66, 1 minus 0.66, 0.34 into 0.34, okay, we are having a square, 0.34, you are going to get it as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 0.1156, just multiply into 5 madidre, I am going to get 0.578. 5 into 0.1156 is 0.578 into 10 to the power of minus 3 amps. Current ID and current, so the unit is amps. So 0.578 milliamps. 0.578 milliamps is the answer for this. So ID I2. Now we have to find out GM. So GM is delta ID by delta VGS. ID value is 0.578 divided by VGS is 2. So divide this by 2, 0.289, unit is Siemens. So this is the answer. GM is 0.289 Siemens, ID is 0.578 milliamps. So these are the problems. I'll give you some of the homework problems through the link. You have to solve those problems and send me the pic of those problems. in the WhatsApp group as usual. Okay, so let's end up this session at this point. I'll be coming soon with the next chapter. So this is the end of this chapter, FET. So I'll come up with the next chapter, that is the transistor biasing. Until then, take care. Bye bye.